Now for the moment you've all been waiting for, the unboxing. Maybe some of you guessed it, but if you did, and you guessed the helmet, then you were right. Boom. So, a little bit of a backstory. I've never been particularly fond of sharks, to be honest. And even when I got my first one, the Arrow, which isn't here, is it? Even when I got that one, there was obviously, opportunity to get a shark helmet, but I've just never really liked them that much. Just their shape was never something that I don't know, I was particularly fond of, I guess. Sharp give a rating from 1 to 5, and this is one of the main reasons as to why I bought this helmet specifically, because this one actually has a 5 out of 5 star rating, the Sharp. So it's a fantastic helmet. So enough talking, let's get to it. So as you can see, it's a shark. There you go. Don't know how well you guys can see that. This is the Shark Race R Pro, and the graphics are it's Troy Corsa. And then one of the biggest reasons as to why I wanted to get this helmet specifically, except for the safety rating, I know I've said that a lot now, but is this neck roll over here. This part over here, it's called a neck roll. So this is one single piece. There you can see a bit of the cheek pad on the side over there. This is one piece that hooks in around the gasket, on the inside of the gasket of this helmet. So it's quite a tight fit to get it onto your head. But once it's on there, it actually cushions around your neck to a degree, not too much obviously. And supposedly it makes it extremely, extremely, extremely quiet. But we're going to go out and test that anyway. And what I was thinking with that is, with obviously a microphone being in here, it should obviously kind of cut out a lot of the ambient noise that I get in my vlogs at the moment, and quieten things down where you can hear my voice a little bit better. So I'm quite excited for that. That's what it looks like. So now you know what helmet to look for in traffic. You'll see that I haven't got a GoPro mount on it yet. So I'm going to play around with mounting the GoPro onto a chesty, onto a chest strap, and then also on my tank, and see how it goes from there. So I still need to get the GoPro mount as well as like a little kind of bend. It's a small little bend that you get with it, that if you mount the GoPro over here, the bend is small enough to come around in this area and then place the rest of the mount so it fits over here. I'm not a big fan of putting it on the sides, especially not on a bike like either. I mean, you want much aerodynamics. Even having it on the chin is not the greatest idea, but it's not the worst thing. But having something over here is just going to catch the wind. It's just going to absolutely piss me off. So yeah, we'll go take it for a ride and let me know what you guys think. And so what do you guys think? Huh? Does it look good? Does it look good? Well, first of all, I hope my audio is actually recording now. I hope the audio is recording, because as you can see, this whole setup over here is very different to what I normally have. But as I mentioned in the unboxing, I haven't gotten the GoPro mounts yet. I also need to get like a specific GoPro mount. It's kind of like a curved mount, but it's a very small one, which will allow me to mount the GoPro over here and then swing it this way so it can be facing here. I don't like the GoPros on the side, and I want it right here by the chin, right there by my point of view. I haven't gotten dead cat on the mic inside yet. I kind of just popped it behind the cheek pads and pushed it closed.
So yeah, I hope all of this is coming out nice, and please excuse me if it sounds like I'm lisping and talking a little weird. Because it's new, it really squashes against your cheeks a lot until it starts to kind of form and recess to the shape of my cheeks. So until then, every time I open my mouth and close my mouth, my teeth are literally knocking against the side of my cheeks. But I have to say, right off the bat, like straight off the bat, massive field of view. I mean, you can kind of see it here, but I can't describe it. It's crazy. It's kind of like having, some of you that are a little older, I guess, it's kind of like when you're in your parents' car and then at some point your best friend's parents got like, I can't remember what car they came out in, but his parents got like a panoramic windscreen. I don't know if it was like Renault or who it was, but it's like all of a sudden you're like, holy fucking shit, I can see so much more. And that's essentially what this feeling is like right now. I have to admit, it is definitely a lot quieter. Doing about, what is it, 147 at the moment. Coming up behind one of these fucking cyclist shitheads again. This is such fucking bullshit. And fuck you and fuck you. Jesus, man. I'm sorry, but whether that's legal or not, regardless of what the fucking story may be, someone coming around the corner, all of a sudden they've got dipshit over there doing 20 k's an hour. Fucking hell, man. Sorry. Cyclists here are a huge problem. And again, to any of my subs, if you guys are cyclists and you do things properly, nothing against you. It's just the dickheads on this road specifically. But anyway, that's a whole different episode. Yeah, so I have to admit, as I said, the quietness is pretty impressive. It's definitely something that you can hear immediately. It's not so much, how can I put it? It's not so much in your face with regards to like the sound of the motor, of Lila kind of, you know, running. It's more the wind that hits the helmet and the shell and your neck and all those places where I can definitely hear a big difference, that it's much quieter. Comfortability wise, right now I have to say it is comfortable. It's a little tight on my head, but it has to be that way, because it is going to be tight fitting for the first little while until all the EPS padding starts to conform to your face. But I can't feel any pressure points at the moment. And another big thing as to why I wanted it is because of the quietness. So it's got the neck roll and all of that, which, you know, reduces the wind noise and so on. But more importantly, I'm hoping that it reduces a lot of the wind that the mic picks up for you guys. So yeah. You fucking idiot. Just hope the camera quality isn't getting too fucked up here at such a weird position that I've got it. Alright, so a bit of a POV change here. The whole chest mount thing wasn't working very well, so I'm hoping this will. Let's see how it goes. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this POV, because it's more than likely gonna have to stay there for a little while until I can get that right little elbow bend. And the only place I found it so far is on bid or buy, and that's going to take a little while to get. So yeah, gonna have to be stuck with this for a little bit. You're a fucking little child. God almighty. Anyway guys, so I'm gonna call it there. Yeah, hope you guys like it. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. So far I'm really loving it. It's a great fucking helmet. So yeah, cheers guys, check in the next one. Peace.